How to handle Etsy shipping. In order to handle shipping on Etsy, involves setting up your shipping strategies, creating shipping profile, packaging your items, and purchasing or printing labels. As an Etsy seller, you are responsible for entire delivery process as well. Now, first thing, you want to set up your shipping strategy. That means you must decide whether you will manage shipping yourself or use a third party service. So most seller manage itself or it themselves and use Etsy built-in tools as well. Then you would also determine if you will offer free shipping, often by rolling the cost into the item price to rank higher in search, or charge a fixed or calculated rate as well. And you could also specify how long you need to prepare an order for the shipment. This sets the buyer expectations and generate a shipping date or ship date by on the order receipt as well. And you're responsible for following all the local and international shipping and custom regulation, including providing accurate custom information and for international seals as well. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.